To see how this works, let's review what we learned earlier. The ancient Chinese discovered a bioelectric energy they called qi, which travels through a network of electrical pathways called meridians in our body. Qi activates and regulates all cellular functions. Qi improves blood flow. Together, qi and blood supply the body with oxygen and nourishment, the defense against diseases, and the clearing of toxins from the body. If the flow of qi becomes blocked by disease factors, then body tissues will be deprived of oxygen and nutrients. The results are pain, inflammation, and degenerative changes. Moreover, when the defense against infectious agents is impaired, infections will result. When toxins accumulate due to inadequate circulation, cancer can develop. Dr. Tong has put together a diagram to illustrate this more clearly. The critical information missing in Western medicine is the understanding of this energy blockage caused by various disease factors. Acupuncture relieves this blockage and reverses the disease process. For difficult cases with more severe blockages, acupuncture alone is not adequate. Injections of anesthetics or other medications into the blocked area can result in a much more complete opening of the blockages. Adding anesthetic nerve blocks to reduce muscle spasms can achieve very dramatic results.
I do notice the difference between Dr. Tong and other acupuncturists that I've gone to maybe 10 years ago. He uses a method of combining east and west. By that he gives you shots to open up the channels, and it works much, much faster. I mean, my recovery in 1 month is uncanny.
And I know that that makes an immediate difference. That I think that if we were just doing plain acupuncture, I wouldn't be getting well so fast. But I'm just amazed. It's really like a miracle, the difference just from the shots that he uses and the places that he knows exactly where to put it and where it's going to hurt. And afterwards it doesn't hurt anymore and everything gets better.
I had the acupuncture at a clinic in Long Beach before it closed. I had 10 treatments, but nothing compared with the ones I've received from Dr. Tong. It would have taken, I would guess, more than a year of acupuncture to have come any place close to where I am today. The nerve blocks have helped immensely. I get a relief the same day. It's just been wonderful.
Now, the combination of the Eastern and Western medicines, where the acupuncture is mixed with the injections, it just amplifies the effects of the acupuncture, and the effects are incredible. He's really come across something that it's hard to believe. You'd have to experience it for yourself.
The acupuncture I had before was great, but with the shots added with it is so much more effective.
Dr. Tong calls this method neurobioenergetic treatment. With this powerful technique, even the most difficult problem, such as those resulting from the failure of surgeries, can be improved.
To have 6 back surgeries, and they said that, and I just kept getting worse and worse, and they said I had to have my 7th.
I had 2 major back surgeries. With each one, I was in more pain.
I've been very grateful for Dr. Tong and his type of treatment.
He has completely got rid of the really cutting pain I had in the lower part of my back.
After surgery, I have experienced extreme pain from the time that I was released from the hospital, and at the same time, I had no balance whatsoever.
After laminectomy surgery, it made me feel a lot worse than what I was feeling before.
After the second surgery, within 6 weeks, the pain was back, constantly.
I have been going to him for treatment, and since then, I have had the good fortune to have considerably less pain, and my balance is starting to show signs of improvement.
I was referred to Dr. Tong by my physician, and he started treating me with nerve blocks and nerve freezing, which gave me tremendous amount of relief.
It's the relief is just wonderful.
I had seen some other doctors, and they recommended surgery, but I had surgery, about 15 years ago, and I didn't want to have surgery anymore.
I had my first back surgery 10 years ago, and I had a second back surgery 4 years ago. And I re-injured my back, and I've had myelograms and MRIs, and the neurosurgeons and orthopedic surgeons said that the only thing that would help me is another back surgery, and I just didn't feel that I really wanted to go through that.
After about 6 or 7 treatments, the pain was all gone.
And so finally I came to see Dr. Tong, and I was in a lot of pain, and after the first treatment the pain have subsided about 90%.
Tai Chi teaches us to slow down by stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system to achieve a more balanced health and lifestyle. You might feel the tingling and heat sensation all the way down the lower part of your body. You already like this, you throw yourself way out in here. Okay, those are young tonics. You know, it means that you tonify the young. One thing that Western people do not know is the yin and yang of the body. Aloe vera is very cold. The only is good for the heat type of constipation.
Dr. Tong's East-West Wellness and Pain Center is located in Costa Mesa at Harbor and Adams. For more information, call 1-888-Dr. Tong 1 or 714-556-8664. You can learn more about Dr. Tong's treatments by listening to patient interviews and viewing case histories on our website at www.drtong.com. Prescription drugs kill over 100,000 Americans a year and rank as the 4th leading cause of death. And the #1 killer of people under 36 is side effects from drugs and surgery. If you suffer from chronic pain, drugs and surgery are not the answer. Fortunately, the cure is here. At Dr. Tong's Wellness Pain Center, over 90% of patients experience dramatic relief from the very first treatment. Call 888-Dr. Tong 1, visit our website, or tune into our cable program and find the cure.